We've all been there. The movie buffers, the video call freezes. Your phone says full signal, but nothing loads. Poor Wi-Fi is one of the most frustrating problems in modern homes. But surprisingly, the problem might not be your internet speed at all. One of the biggest mistakes people make is hiding their router behind furniture, inside cupboards, or tucked away in corners. Wi-Fi signals spread outward like ripples in water, so when your router is blocked by walls, metal objects, or furniture, your signal struggles to reach the rest of the house. Moving your router into an open central location can make a huge difference instantly. Modern homes are packed with connected devices, phones, smart TVs, gaming consoles, laptops, smart speakers, and every single device shares your Wi-Fi connection. Too many active devices at once can seriously slow things down. Some homes naturally block Wi-Fi signals. Brick walls, thick floors, metal structures, and even mirrors can weaken your connection. That's why one room might work perfectly, while another barely loads a web page. This is where Wi-Fi extenders and mesh systems can help. They spread your signal more evenly around your home, reducing dead zones and improving coverage upstairs and in difficult rooms. If your router is several years old, it could simply be struggling to keep up with modern internet demands. Streaming, gaming, smart devices, and video calls all put pressure on older hardware. Sometimes upgrading your router makes a massive improvement overnight. And finally, never underestimate the power of restarting your router. A quick reboot can clear temporary issues and refresh your connection in seconds. Better Wi-Fi doesn't always mean buying faster broadband. Often, small changes make the biggest difference. If you found these tips helpful, like and subscribe for more simple internet advice from A to B Network. Connecting made easy.